Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to build a custom coded template in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the tools and features available in your account. Once you're logged in and can see your dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Content and click on it. This will expand a submenu with several options related to your content management. From this submenu, click on Design Manager. The Design Manager is where you'll be able to create and edit all your custom templates, modules, and other design assets within HubSpot. After the Design Manager loads, look toward the top of the screen where you'll see a button that says Create a New File. Click on this button to start the process of creating your custom coded template. This will open a drop-down menu with several file type options that you can choose from. In the drop-down menu that appears, make sure you select HTML plus Hubble. This is the correct file type for creating custom coded templates in HubSpot, as it allows you to use both standard HTML and HubSpot's templating language called HubL. Once you've confirmed that HTML plus HubL is selected, click the next button to proceed to the next step. Now you'll be prompted to configure your new template file. You'll need to select a template type from the available options. This could be a page template, email template, or another type depending on your needs. After selecting the appropriate template type, input a file name that clearly identifies what this template is for. This will help you stay organized, especially if you're managing multiple templates. Once you've entered the file name, click the Create button to generate your new template file. At this point, your new template file will open in the code editor. You'll see a large code field where you can input your custom code. This is where you'll write or paste your custom coded template using HTML and HubL. Take your time to input all the necessary code, making sure everything is properly structured and formatted. The code editor provides syntax highlighting and other helpful features to make coding easier and help you catch any potential errors. Once you've finished inputting your custom coded template and you're satisfied with how everything looks, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Publish Changes. Click on this button to make your custom template live and available for use throughout your HubSpot account. The system will process your changes and deploy your new template. And that's it. You've successfully built a custom coded template in HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.